Hi, this is Candy from CG Applique Patterns. I'm going to show you step by step how to audition your color choices on your background fabric. We're working with just the raw edge template. We haven't clipped them yet. We haven't turned them yet. This is right after you cut your freezer paper templates, iron them on and cut them out. This is the point where you can audition your colors. Now these are not turned. They're not going to fit in the pattern exactly because they aren't finished yet. But you can place them on the pieces, and it doesn't matter if the edges are a little too wide. I've stacked these pieces from bottom to top, from the last template that goes on 16 on up to 1. So here's 1, and you can just follow along because you don't even have to look to see what piece number it is. You put 2 on top, and you will see where there's an overlap here. There's an overlap here. We want 3, and this one comes under 5. So you're going to have this overlap, which is actually an underlap. Here's 4 with the underlap. 5 goes right on top of those. Okay, and probably go down just a little bit because they've got to get underneath 7. The next number is 6. Now this doesn't look like it's in order, but it is. Just put 6 down there. Make sure your 1/4-inch seams go into 7. And you've got 7, which overlaps everything. Then you have 8, which is an underneath piece. You've got 9 over there. And you've got 10. Now these don't have to be perfect, but you can see how your colors are working. Go up to the flower. Put your last pattern piece in there. That's 11. We're going to 12 and 13. And you see how 11 is underneath those? Okay, this is 14, 15, and 16. And there you have the look of your pattern when it'll be done. Now, if you don't like this color, take the template out. You can rip it right off the back of the pattern because it can be ironed on again. And do what we did in the last video. Just create a new template with a different color. Because sometimes you'll get it together and it doesn't work. So you can do that. And that can be done on any of my patterns. You can audition. A lot of times you just want to audition a group at a time. You haven't decided exactly what colors you want for your flower. So you can audition your greens. They're all on the bottom of the flower. You can audition your greens. You can finish them. You can stitch them on, and then you can come back to a piece that fits over all of them. So this is a good chance to just really tweak your colors and your layout of your patterns. Thank you.